If you're looking to create web pages, you'll need a code editor. I like to use Visual Studio Code. Here I will show you how to download and install it on Windows, but there are versions available for Mac and Linux as well. You can download it for free by going to code.visualstudio.com. Once there, it will auto-detect your operating system and suggest the appropriate installation for you. I'm going to use the suggested one, which is its latest stable build. It will take a few minutes for it to download, but I skipped ahead in the video to save you from watching that. I'll now go to my downloads and run the installer. At this point, a license agreement pops up. I can take a peek at that, accept the agreement, and click Next. Here you can choose your destination location for the install. I'm going to go with the default, but you could browse to another location. And then I'll click Next. I can choose the Start menu folder name, but I'll go with the default again. And at this point, I can choose if I'd like a desktop icon, which I do, but the rest of the other things I'm personally going to leave alone. It's up to you if you'd like to add those. Now it's ready to install, and I will click the Install button. Once it's done, you'll see this, and I am going to allow it to launch right away just to show it's working, and I'm going to click Finish. Now that it's open, you're all set to start using Visual Studio Code. You can pick your theme and get started creating web pages.